Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Sheets and signing into the account you will use for this file. Once signed in, click plus to create a new blank spreadsheet or pick a template if you need a starting layout. This saves time. Make sure to set file settings for locale, time zone, and default currency so formulas and dates behave predictably. Also, name the sheet in the top left immediately. This helps with version control and sharing later, and prevents accidental overwrites. Next, you structure the sheet. Create clear headers and choose appropriate data types, then apply data validation to enforce inputs. Use formulas like array formula for whole column operations, filter to extract rows, and if combined with isBlank to handle missing values. This reduces manual copying. Once done, freeze header rows and key columns so you always see them. You should also apply conditional formatting to highlight outliers and use named range. To finish, protect critical ranges and configure sharing permissions so collaborators can edit only what you allow. Make a backup copy or use version history before major changes. This provides a restore point. Audit formulas by toggling formula view and using trace dependents to locate broken references, then fix errors by checking ranges and data types. Finally, export as CSV, XLSX, or PDF as needed and test the exported file. If something goes wrong, check for stray spaces, inconsistent data types, or wrong locales first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.